Well, hello guys. Hi, and thanks for buying this course. This is the very first course that I'm making, and this is very close to my heart. And why am I making this course, and what is this course all about, and who is this beneficial for, and what we will be covering? So these are the questions that need to be answered. So, uh, so who is this course for? Why this course? Why I am making this, and who can benefit from the course, and what is the format of the course, and so these are the questions that need to be answered. So who is this course for? So first of all, why this course, and what is this course? So and what is this course, and also how will I teach this or explain the concepts in the course. Okay, so why this course, and what is this course? So clearly, as software engineers, we need to, whenever we change jobs, we need to give interviews, and whenever we are sitting for the interviews, we the most dreaded topic and like one of the most dreaded topics are interview the coding, the competitive coding type questions which are asked in the interviews. So clearly, lead code is a very good platform for solving those questions. So what I will be doing is that I will be covering the most important topics that are being asked in the interview. So I will be covering approximately 30 questions on those topics, and in order of increasing difficulty level. So this course is for anyone who wishes to appear for an interview and who has not done any lead coding for some time and need, or those people who need to brush up their concepts in case in algorithmic knowledge and knowledge related to data structures. But teaching the data structures and uh, teaching the data structures and algorithms directly, I don't think it's that beneficial, but this course would be useful as I will be teaching those things while solving the questions. And I'm not saying that I'm very perfect or something, but I will be making mistakes and I will be solving the questions live. And hopefully, this will help many people to understand how to approach the questions and how to code them up, and also and yeah and also teach them the concept behind the question. So the format, so this is done. So why this course? So for software interview prep, so this course is for software interview preparation and for those people who are out of the game of giving interviews and just want to brush up their concepts or simply revise the concepts, so or revision. So this course is for those people. And yeah, so we also answered this question for anyone who wants to revise DS algo relate related to mostly coding interviews. So why am I making this course? So the next question that you guys will be asking is, why am I making this course when there are so many alternatives out there? Like, you can obviously join some kind of like some kind of academy or something and prepare yourself in like many coaching institutes who train people just for this kind of stuff have opened up. And and they are comprehensive and they take time, first of all, and most of them are for beginners, for junior software developers who are already like in like who are in college and they will be entering the job field. So I don't think they are much suitable for people who are already doing jobs. So this course is quite beneficial for those who are already doing job and who have got out of touch related in topics related to coding interviews, etc. So this, so that is why I'm making this course. And secondly, I'm also making this course because I have helped out many of my friends in preparing for software engineering interviews, and also I'm a competitive programmer myself. I have been doing this for like 2 years without much break, like while pursuing the job. So I think that yeah, so I'm quite passionate about this, like, and also I have some teaching experience and I really like teaching, so that is why I'm making this course. I'm trying to like kill many birds with the same stone. So help others and obviously earn some money, and teach and teach concepts in an easy manner to help out everyone. And yeah, so that is why I'm making this course, because I love doing so. Yeah. So why am I making this course? Because I want to, and I want to make people aware that you don't need that much time, like 6 months time, and take part in some comprehensive uh, coaching institute who coaching institute or some interview preparation institute who prepare you for like some months and then give you maybe referrals. With the help of this course, you can quickly brush up your concepts in around like 20 days. It depends on how quickly you grasp the things, and you can appear for the interviews yourself with much more confidence. And you don't need to comprehensively study this for many months. Like, I think 1 month is enough. 1 month of preparation is enough for cracking Google or even Facebook, as we have seen in many interview experiences. Like cracking Google in some months, cracking Google in 3 months. Yeah, let's search this, cracking Google in 3 months. How I got into Google in 2 months. Wow. So people crack Google and they crack Facebook in 1 or 2 months. So you don't need to like work hard for a year or for 6 months. You can just crack the company in 2-3 months if you want to. Like, I've heard stories about people who left their jobs completely, prepared for 2 or 3 months straight, and got into Facebook. And this is and this story I read about some girl, and she did it during COVID times. She left her job, her secure job, and prepared for 2 months, and she decided that I will go into Facebook. And she left her job, prepared for 2 months, and got into Facebook. So it's as easy as that. You just need the right kind of foundations to crack the interviews. And I'm making this course with this idea in mind, that people will hopefully grasp the right kind of foundations that is required to crack the coding interviews. So you can read this blog, I just typed and it came up. And yeah, so it is definitely possible and people can do it. And you can see that the very first requirement is data structure and algorithm analysis, to understand how to, yeah. So actually she's talking about another Udemy course, but yeah, so that is what I'm saying, that you don't actually need a comprehensive course. You need a short course, which I'm doing. And yeah, this is also on Udemy. Okay, so yeah, you need actually some kind of course, but not that detailed one. Yeah. So, and also lead code. So lead code premium. So people really use lead code, and lead code is a very good platform, even I believe that. And I've been using, I don't use lead code much, but clearly the UI is very good, and the questions are grouped category wise, so you can clearly like open the questions based on where they have been asked. Like, they have 930 Google questions that are asked, that was asked in Google, and 878 Amazon asked questions. But clearly we cannot access it, I think, because we need to subscribe. But we don't even need to do that. We can simply prepare for top interview questions, and I will be covering up all the important questions, and from this side, and hopefully from other sites also, where we can, like, some classic standard questions. I will hopefully use another website, maybe, I don't know which one, but I will be using it later. And so therefore, who can benefit from the course? Yeah, this, I think we have answered this question. And what is the format of the course? Okay, so what will be the format of the course? So I was thinking, and hopefully I will be doing this only, that there would be 2 videos for each question, and I think that I will cover at least 20 questions. So there will be at least 40 videos approximately, and in one video I will be describing the question. I will be explaining the question on a whiteboard, not a whiteboard, but a I what on a pad, so on a tablet. Okay, so I will be explaining the question on a tablet, and in the next video we will also code the question. So I will be coding the question live in the second video, and in the first video I will be reading the question, explaining the question, and explaining the solution on a tablet. And I will also I will also record my thinking process. So hopefully people will, like, when they see me get stuck, they will get enough confidence to try it out themselves. To They will get enough confidence to not fear failure. So this is one of the most important things that is needed in the interview. You don't need to fear. You need to be confident, and you need to be you. So whatever you can think of and whatever cool strategies you can come up with, it doesn't need to be optimal. You can start with non-optimal approaches, go to suboptimal ones, and then try to converge onto the final optimal approaches eventually. So this is how interviews, and this is how I think anything in life should be approached. You don't need to start with the best kind of solution, but you need to start. That's the important thing. You need to start, and you need to converge. So the format will be like that only. We will have 2 videos for each question, and hopefully I will also, like, do some videos for motivation and all those stuff. I will, and for some kind of stories or anything else, like, I will just insert those videos in between so that people can benefit from this. So, and how will I explain the concepts? So I will be explaining the concepts via questions only. This won't be a course about this won't be a course where I will be explaining what is the Dijkstra's algorithm, or what is BFS, DFS. I will briefly explain what is BFS, what is DFS, but you can clearly see the videos on YouTube or read it on Wikipedia. There are ample of resources on how a topic, on how to study it. Like, there are ample of resources to study your topic, but there are not much resources, or not much good resources to uh, teach a person to how to approach questions related to the topic. So that is how I will teach this course. And who can benefit? Yeah, I think I've answered this question. Everyone can benefit who loves competitive programming, or who likes solving problems, who likes lead coding, or who is preparing for the interviews. And why I why am I making this course? Because I want to, and because this is fun for me, and hopefully I will be able to convey that fun to other people who want to get ready for interviews in the upcoming future. So why this course? Yeah, for anyone who wants to prepare. And who is this course for? Yeah, for anyone who loves TS and who wants to prepare. Yeah, so I've explained everything. And yeah, so once again I would like to say thank you, and thank you very much for buying this course. This is my very first course, and it means a lot to me, and hopefully you will enjoy it as much, like, you will enjoy it watching as much as I enjoy making the videos and explaining the things. And I'm again saying that I'm not very perfect, and, like, I'm not at all perfect, and whatever I explain, I will be explaining it live, and I will try to cover everything live. So hopefully people, after watching me fail, would get the confidence to succeed. So yeah, so thank you guys again for buying this course, and I will see you in the very next video. Thank you again.